In this video, we will begin doing some algebra from geometry. All of your algebra and all of your equations in geometry come from the geometry of the problem. In triangle ABC, the ratio of AB to AC to BC is 1 to 2 to 3. The perimeter of ABC is 84. Find the length of all of the sides. So if you have a ratio like this, the easiest thing to do is give the ratio a variable. So we're going to say x plus 2x plus 3x, because if this side is x, then that side is 2x, because it's double this, and this side is 3x, because it is triple this side. So now, these three sides added up is the perimeter, which is 84. Now it's just simple algebra. X plus 2x plus 3x is 6x equals 84. Divide both sides by 6 and we get x equals 14. So that makes x is 14, so AB is 14. This is 2x, so AC is 28, which is 2 times 14. And side BC is triple 14, so that is 42. So now let's check and make sure we did it right. 42 plus 28 plus 14 is in fact 84. So we've checked and we've done it right. So this is how you do algebra from geometry. Always draw the figure, put your labels on it, make your algebra from the geometry of the problem, and then it's actually fairly simple. Don't get too scared about it. Just find an example of another problem, run through it, see how they did it, and then you are off to the races on your problems.